Hi, it's Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to clarify something. I had made a comment in my first video saying how I don't like to do direct input into Duxbury because it doesn't have spell check, and it does have spell check. It's not as easy as Microsoft Office is to me. Microsoft Word is to me. But I just want to show you that. So if you come over here, this is something that I directly inputted, and there's some typos. So if I go to edit, we see that spell check is able to be selected. And once I click it, it says I misspelled practice, so I can go to replace, choose the correct spelling. Okay, and it's going to change it. It's at the end of the document. So I'm going to go back to put my cursor back at the beginning because there are some ones at the beginning. Go to spell check. It says subtracting is misspelled. Click on the correct spelling. It says real is misspelled. Let's see if it has, there we go. It says rule. And now it's at the end of the document's reach. So I am able to spell check. And then, excuse my dogs. Once I translate, we're going to make some mistakes again. Let's see. I'm going to misspell rule again. And I'm going to translate. Okay. So I translated that. Now if I go to edit, spell check is grayed out. So I'm not able to make any changes in spelling once I translate. So just so you know, if you're going to do direct input and you're going to make sure you want to spell check, you need to do it before you translate. So again, I hope that this was helpful. This video was helpful to you, and if it was, if you could give it a like, that'd be greatly appreciated. And if you don't want to miss any more of the new content that we're putting out, please, excuse my dogs again, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so that you'll get a notification when we post new content. Okay, have a great evening.